Are you ready to take your road trips to the next level? Meet the all-new 2025 Ford Camper Van, the perfect blend of innovation, comfort, and adventure. Whether you're a weekend explorer or a full-time van lifer, this camper van is designed to meet all your needs. Let's dive into the details. Ford has completely reimagined the camper van for 2025. It features a bold, aerodynamic design with a high roof option for extra space. The rugged off-road tires, LED light bar, and stylish front grille make it both functional and attractive. Plus, with its all-wheel drive system, this van can handle anything from city streets to rough mountain trails. Under the hood, the 2025 Ford Camper Van offers two powertrain options, a fuel-efficient 3.5L EcoBoost V6 and an all-electric variant with an impressive 300-mile range. Whether you prefer gas or electric, both models deliver excellent performance and towing capacity, perfect for hauling gear or an extra trailer. Step inside, and you'll find a beautifully designed interior that feels like home. The high-roof model offers a spacious layout with a full kitchenette, a convertible bed, and even a small workspace. Plus, the premium materials and ambient lighting make it a cozy place to relax after a long day of adventure. The 2025 Ford Camper Van comes with a fully equipped kitchenette, featuring an induction cooktop, a sink with filtered water, and a compact fridge-freezer. The pull-out dining table makes meal prep and eating super convenient. And for those who love cooking outdoors, there's even an optional slide-out kitchen in the rear. Comfort is key when you're on the road. This van features a convertible queen-size bed with memory foam cushions for a restful night's sleep. There are also blackout shades and climate control to ensure a comfortable experience, no matter where you park for the night. Staying connected is easier than ever with Ford's Sync 5 infotainment system, built-in Wi-Fi, and multiple USB-C ports. The camper van also includes a smart home control panel, allowing you to adjust lights, temperature, and security features right from your smartphone. For those who love off-grid camping, this van has you covered. It comes with solar panels, a high-capacity lithium battery pack, and a water filtration system, giving you the freedom to explore remote locations without sacrificing modern conveniences. Safety is a top priority. The 2025 Ford Camper Van includes advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, making it easy to navigate tight spots and rough terrains with confidence. So, how much does all this adventure-ready goodness cost? The starting price for the 2025 Ford Camper Van is around $65,000 for the base model, with fully loaded versions reaching up to $90,000. Pre-orders are open now, with deliveries expected by mid-2025. The 2025 Ford Camper Van is the ultimate companion for road trip enthusiasts, digital nomads, and weekend warriors alike. What do you think? Would you take this van on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive updates from Auto Universe. See you in the next video.